In this video, I am going to show you a very useful and very valuable pro tip that would save you a lot of money. So, if you have a membership of Gemini, like I have Plus, or if you have higher subscription than Plus, then you can generate almost unlimited images without the watermark. So, currently, the solution that you have is that if you have the membership, you will just go to the gemini.com and you would just type the prompt, select the create image and describe your image, and it would generate the image, and no doubt it creates very realistic images and very nice results. But in all of its images, it adds a watermark on it, and you may not want to use the watermarked images in your projects. So that's why you may have to pay Gemini to get the watermark free images. Even I have been paying Gemini for a long time to generate the images without the watermark. But I just discovered this solution that if you have this minimal membership that is Plus, or if you have any subscription that is higher than Plus, or if it is Plus, then you can generate unlimited images by using Nano Banana Pro without any watermark. So before, let me just show you what issues you will be facing, and finally I will show you how you can generate it. So for example, I clicked on the create image, and you just picked a random prompt or whatever prompt you want to use, and it would load the Nano Banana Pro and it would start generating. Okay, look at this. It has generated this image, but if you look at the bottom right carefully, it has placed a watermark. So that's mean you cannot use this image if you don't want a watermark. I also realized that the quality of this image that is generated by the Gemini is not always good. For example, if you click on this, I find that the quality is not that much HD that you may want. So Gemini is not useful in that situation. So the second approach that you mostly people do is that they go to the Google AI Studio and they go to the playground and they try to use the different solutions. Like if you click on the images, you will find all of these models that you can use to generate. You can see all of these options that you can use to generate images. But the problem is that among these, only one model is free to use, that is Nano Banana. And by the way, this model or anything that you see here on the Google AI Studio, everything is almost free. You can use their tools, you can use their models, you can try them out, and everything would be totally free. Even they also provides you the API key to use their models and their tools in your application code as well remotely. But if we talk about generating image, you can use only Nano Banana, and the quality of Nano Banana is not that much good as the quality of other models. Especially Nano Banana Pro is a state-of-the-art model that would generate the images of the quality that beats every other model almost. If you want to use the Nano Banana Pro, then here it says it is paid. Also, here you will see that even if you try to use this model, it will not work. It will ask you to provide the API key. So you need to provide the API key of your paid Google Cloud account, and that would cost you money. Believe me, this would cost you a lot of money if you use the paid version of the Nano Banana Pro. Now let's talk about the main pro tip that I am going to give you. So this is the solution of this problem. That is, you should use the Google Flow. So if you just type labs.google.com/fx/tools/flow, then you would be landed on this page. So in this website that is created by Google, you can make use of your membership on Google. Currently, I'm using the Plus membership, but if you have Plus or you have Pro or whatever membership you will have, you are able to use the Google Flow and you are able to use the Nano Banana Pro to generate as many images as you want. I'm saying unlimited because I have been using the Google Flow for generating a lot of images. I have generated several images and simultaneously generated several images, and I never faced any limitation. I never saw any message that I have consumed my daily quota or monthly quota. Maybe there is some limit. I feel like that even if there is a limit, I did not check the facts, but even if it has a limit, most of the people will never hit that limit, because if you are using for your personal use case, even if for your work, you should not meet that limit so quickly. So in my case, I never met that limit, and I have been using it for a very long time. Before this, I was using different solutions to bypass these issues. For example, I have shown you three solutions. One is Gemini, second one is the Google AI Studio, and here could not get the quality result from other models, so I was compelled to use the paid version of Nano Banana Pro from here, and I got a huge amount of bill at my Google Cloud account. Then I was also using the ChatGPT image generation solution. That is also very good, but the problem is that in the ChatGPT there are some limits. Although you can still generate a lot of images, but if you don't have a paid account, after some time they would slow down your image generation because you are using their free version. And also there are problems. You have no controls on the dimensions of the chat GPT, because I now I remember that I wanted to generate a YouTube thumbnail, and there are specific dimensions, aspect ratios for the YouTube videos, but ChatGPT doesn't allow you to change those aspect ratio. Even if you mention in the prompt that you want these aspect ratios or these dimensions, they don't follow it. So they would just give you some strange awkward size that you have to edit in the Canva or in some software to fix it. That would waste a lot of time, and that's not what you would like to do. So let's get back to the topic. Let me show you what I recently generated. So this is the most recent project. If you click on that, I generated these thumbnails, and you will see that how cool are these, and look at the quality of these thumbnails. So for example, look at these two thumbnails and look at these. So these are very high quality thumbnails, and we used the Nano Banana Pro. As you can see from a label here, it is saying that we are using Nano Banana Pro. Similarly, look at these images. These are really beautiful generated images. If I try to create such thumbnails by using Canva or by using some other editor, I may not create that high quality images. This is really great. And now quickly let me show you by generating a new image. To create a new project, click on this button, and in this you will be able to add multiple images. Now here you see Nano Banana Pro, and also you can generate the videos as well. Here you have a plus button. If you click on that, you will be able to upload multiple images, and you can pick them and you can make use of those images in main image. So in your prompt, you can mention that I have attached these images. Please use them in my generated image. So in this way, you can make something really interesting. Like sometime AI don't use the correct logos, or AI doesn't use the correct brand assets. You can provide it your brand assets or the logos. It would directly use them very accurate and keep it relevant to your brand. Anyways, now let me quickly generate an image. Meanwhile, it is being generated, I would run another prompt and hit enter. Now you see that every time you run the prompt, it would generate two versions of the same image, so that you could compare and decide which one you want to keep. And you see that it didn't rate limit me. I was able to generate multiple images simultaneously, and it is working. So this is really useful, and I'm really grateful after discovering this useful solution. You see that I have run 4 different prompts, and it is still working very well, and it is not stopping you from doing that. So let's wait for some time. Okay, look at first prompt output is ready. You see it has generated these 2 images, and then this is a second prompt. Look at the output, the result, and look at these images, and the fourth one is also about to be completed. Okay, the fourth image is also ready, and look at the quality and the creativity it has used in this image, and nobody can tell this it is generated by the AI. I mean, it is very professional. Look at the image of the banana and everything, the text colors and the shadow, etc. And now if you want to download it, they give you very high quality images. For example, here if you click on the download button, then you have 3 options: 1K, 2K, 4K. If you are using plus subscription like me, then you have only 2 options, but if you have higher subscriptions, then you may have 4K option enabled as well. But most of the cases, even the 2K version of this image is too large to use in many places. For example, if you are going to use the 2K image in the YouTube thumbnail, then YouTube wouldn't allow you to use this much bigger image. So only 1K size of the image would work. And if you download the 1K image, is still very in good quality and very HD. You will not lose the quality of this image. Let me show you the result. So this is the image I just downloaded and it is 1K, and even in 1K its quality is very good and you don't see any distortion in this image. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. I thought that I am using this feature for some time and I should really share this useful, valuable solution with you as well, so that you could get benefit of this approach as well. If you think that this video provided you some value, then please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos. And also please like and share this video. It would matter a lot. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.